Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond the Web, where we bring you the latest tech in the most fun way possible. Today we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy A15, a budget-friendly powerhouse with some seriously cool features. Is it worth your money? Stick around to find out. Let's talk about the looks. The Galaxy A15 sports a 6.5-inch ultra-clear display that makes watching videos, gaming and even scrolling feel smooth and immersive. Plus, with Samsung's Vision Booster and 800 nits brightness, outdoor visibility won't be a problem. That's a win for binge watchers and gamers. Under the hood, we get 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which means multitasking is a breeze. And guess what? You can expand it up to 1 TB. So no more storage full pop-ups ruining your day. Now let's talk about power. The Galaxy A15 packs a long-lasting battery, and with super fast charging, you can get back to action in no time. So whether you are a gamer, a Netflix addict, or always on the go, this phone won't slow you down. Your personal data stays super secure with Samsung Knox security, and you even get a built-in digital wallet to carry your essentials with ease. Plus, the USB Type-C and dual SIM port add to the convenience. Pretty neat, right? So, is the Samsung Galaxy A15 worth it? For its price, you are getting a smooth display, solid performance, and premium Samsung security, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious buyers. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech content. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite feature of the Galaxy A15.